This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and aligning expectations. Make sure the mentee has linear algebra, probability, and Python basics. Next, define concrete mentoring goals, specify project types, weekly hours, and success metrics so you both measure progress. Once done, prepare a minimal starter project with an annotated notebook and a clean dataset. This lets you dive straight into learning by doing. Keep the first session short and action-focused to build confidence and momentum. You now focus on the iterative core. Teach hypothesis-driven experiments and enforce a cycle of experiment, review, and documentation updates. Walk through the full model lifecycle, explaining why feature choice matters, how validation prevents overfit, and when to consider deployment trade-offs. Once comfortable, run paired coding sessions and code reviews to transfer tacit skills. Make sure to set checkpointed milestones with concrete deliverables so progress is visible. And celebrates you complete mentorship by consolidating results into a reproducible repo, a short report, and a clear next steps list that includes resources and networking introductions. Then run an autonomy checklist so the mentee can continue independently. Reproducibility, monitoring, and simple deployment. If things go wrong, for example stalled progress, diagnose the root cause first. Address scope creep or skill gaps with a focused mini-project. Finally, set a follow-up touchpoint to ensure the transition sticks and learning endures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.